Hello. I've been trying for a while to actually try and work out what sort of pressure comes out of this pump. It doesn't seem to be pressure, it just seems to move it. Yeah? And so I've connected up my old line pressure gauge, and I've tried so many different gauges I've got, and none of them can pick up this reading. And I can show you that it's bled, because if you look here on the overflow pipe, I'll put my hand there, you can see that start to pump. Well, it's not doing it now, is it? Of course not. Okay. Hello. For a while now I've been trying to work out what sort of pressure this little pump delivers, and whether the little spring clips they use that come with this green pipe, is it holding a pressure at all? But no matter what gauge I put on this, I mean, so this is running, yeah? So the candle's on, that triggers the thermocouple to say, yeah, turn chambers are light. It's gone through its heat cycle of the glow plug, tries to burn a hole in the earth. Yeah, so it is running, yeah? It's running on number 2. Turn him up, number 4 then. Yep, you can see the pump pick up. Yep, I've got T-pieced off the line, and I've even tried with my surgical bits. You watch, yeah? I clamp off the return to the pump, so what I'm getting out of there should be pump pressure. Okay, clamped. Yeah? Main arteries not bleeding anymore. What have I got here? Jack shit. What have I got here? We have a little bit of movement. You can see I've got a syringe here, so I've backfilled the whole system, so I know for sure there's diesel in it. Yeah? And I can't get a pressure reading. That is bonkers. That really is bonkers. And then look, it's having a go here. You can see it's like, okay, I'll grab a bit of air around the side. It's got little bubbles coming in it. But why? Look how slow that is. That just doesn't make sense. I can't work that out. And that really baffled. Oh, I can see air in there. Okay, let's try something. Now, where's the camera stand up on its own? Stand up this shit. Stand. Right. I'm going to push the little button that would normally release your line pressure, and I'm going to backfill it with a syringe. There we go. Okay. Bit more. Have a bit more. We don't want any more. Okay. And I've still, look, nothing whatsoever on the gauge. So it's definitely primed. As you can see, there is diesel flowing through the lines, but it doesn't give a pressure reading. What's going on? Alright, bye for now, chaps. Any ideas, just throw a comment over before I go nuts. Bye. Okay, part 2 of this test. Right, you can see the glow plug's just finishing. You can see the amount of pressure gauges I've got. Everything. Right. I'm trying here. If I can turn the thing on. Look at that. Okay, that's the strata valve, yeah, you have on your tyre. I've connected it to the top of the pump where whatever's supposed to come out, whether it's air or water, and there is nothing. Why can't this be measured? Still zero. Zero, zero. That's bonkers. I mean, you can see it moving in the pipe there. I really don't know. Okay, we'll just change the subject slightly for a minute. And I had one comment a while back why the supply line comes out the bottom. And the guy said it comes out the bottom so the heat from the exhaust heats it up. But if that's the case, then why do they supply a great big wrap to put round the exhaust? Yeah, to stop it burning everything. So as you see, what I've done here is heated up the braze and turned it 180, so now it's sticking upright. And if you want to bend it, you can get yourself an old brake cable, but before you cut it, solder the ends off. Yeah, just solder it and solder it and solder it till it's really got a lot of solder on there. Then cut the nipple off. Then you can push this down the inside and it go all the way around. Yeah. Then you can bend it in any position that you want, and you know you're not going to crush it. Yeah. So you can even put it in like a little rubber jaw vice like that. Why didn't that fire up? No, bloody blew the candle out. Okay. Stop blowing the candle out. You see how hot these glow plugs get? I mean, that is really hot, isn't it? I mean, you wouldn't want to grab that. Oh, did I see a read in there? Wow, look at this. There's something going on. I have 2.1 psi. Wow, it's actually working. Hold on. I'm going to try and keep it. I'm going to push the connections on. Okay, now I've lost the bloody pressure. Why have I lost the pressure? What I've done was put them back on properly. I'm just so awkward holding this camera trying to do things. Now it's falling off. It's falling off completely.